This is a summary of the food studies topic, food supply, processing. This is from ORCA Education's e-learning library. The short video will summarize key content from this course topic. Understanding the different stages of food production, from primary to secondary processing, helps us appreciate the journey our food takes before it reaches our plates. Primary food production involves the cultivation, fishing, and rearing of basic unprocessed foods, such as lobster, wheat, and beef cattle, sourced from various locations around the world. Food can be unprocessed, lightly processed, or highly processed, and understanding the levels of processing can help us make informed choices about the foods we consume. Large-scale production methods in the food industry offer advantages such as lower costs, higher profits, improved food safety, consistent standards, and assured supply. An efficient food production system requires proper control of bacteria, minimizing wastage, and maintaining consistent quality, often achieved through computer-integrated manufacturing. Food production tasks can be mechanized with equipment like mixers and production lines to streamline the process and increase efficiency. Packaging plays a crucial role in ensuring food safety, protection, ease of transport, and provides a platform for information, promotions, and advertising. Packaging materials and design must meet food regulations, consider the environmental impact, and prioritize the use of recycled or recyclable materials. Wheat processing involves several steps, including sieving, blending, breaking, rolling, and reduction, to produce different types of flour with specific characteristics. The processing of milk for cheese involves cooling, treatment, adding salt and bacteria, scalding, curd separation, draining, cutting, pressing, and ripening. The quality and tenderness of meat and poultry can be influenced by rearing, feeding, butchering, and preparation methods. Different cuts of beef have varying levels of tenderness and connective tissue, which can be affected by cooking methods. Fish can be prepared as fillets or steaks, and different cuts, such as butterfly, cheeks, gudgeons, dressed, and whole, offer various options for cooking and presentation.